If your Frigidaire fridge is acting up, glitching, or not cooling the way it should, a quick reset can usually get everything working again. And the whole process only takes a moment, so let's walk through it step by step. Start by finding the control panel. On most Frigidaire models, you'll see it right above the fridge doors, and on some versions, it's located just inside on the fresh food section. Once you've spotted it, press and hold the power or on-off button for about 5 seconds. Keep holding until the display shuts off. When the screen goes dark, that means the fridge is turning itself off and getting ready for a clean restart. Now unplug the refrigerator from the wall. Don't rush this part. Leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes so the internal systems fully power down. During this short break, you can even take a moment to wipe down the inside shelves or clear out anything you've been meaning to organize. After those 5 minutes are up, plug your fridge back into the outlet. Give it a moment to start up again. You'll notice the control panel light up and the display returning to normal. Once everything is back on, double check your temperature settings to make sure they're exactly where you want them. If you had custom cooling levels set before, you may need to enter them again. And that's all it takes. Your Frigidaire fridge should now be fully reset and ready to run smoothly again. If it helped, make sure to keep this reset in mind for next time your fridge needs a quick refresh.